Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Week started on the 14th. This is the first trade, pound yen from 20-minute chart. Buy order is right there. SL is moved to break even plus, and it is for 140 pip. Right? And all these trades that you are going to see are taken by my expert advisor, automated trading robot. It's called CTS-6. And these candles are built by with the help of a special indicator. It's called a Renko chart builder, right? So these are Renko charts. So now this one, pound USD 7-minute chart, entry is here, buy entry. And this is from the 7-minute chart. I take entries from two different charts, 7-minute chart or 20-minute chart, right? So sometimes 40, sometimes 20 and sometimes 7. Now, third entry again, pound yen after retracing, and on the 14th it went up more, right, for 110 pips. So actually, this is the same area, same day, but it is from this one. So this is the 20-minute entry, right? And right there, you see this. This is what the 7-minute entry is. So I have a couple of computers where one computer has 20-minute charts, the other one has 7-minute charts. So if the entry shows up on both charts, it will take different accounts, right? Not the same account at one entry at a time, one pair, one entry at a time. So on the second computer, pound yen, this is the 7-minute chart entry shows up, and my EA took that one as well, 410 pip, right? And this is pound Aussie 7-minute chart, 60 pip. This is Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart for 90 pip. Sell order is right there. This is pound Aussie 75 pip on 15th. This is Aussie yen. See this arrow here? That's the trade opened by the EA all the way to 75 pip. This is gold trade from here to there. It's a big chart, so that's why it's 170 pip. Euro yen from 7-minute chart down here, 65 pip. This week was very, very slow. USD CAD, you see at 65 pip, all small trades. Things didn't move this week. Euro USD 7-minute chart, you can see the entries there for 7 pip on the 15th. And then pound USD going to the upside for 100 pip here, 20-minute chart, buy orders are there. Euro Aussie, beautiful long entry for 70 pip from 20-minute chart. And USD yen going down from here to here for 120 pip. And pound yen on 7-minute chart, you can see here on the 17th, beautiful trade, by the book entry. Then you have pound Aussie going up as well. This is also taken, all the trades were taken up by the EA, maybe one or two manually, right? So all these trades you can see, 16, 17 trades this week. Last week I had 34 trades. But this week was, like I said, the slow, very wobbly and ranging. So not many trades, but yes, enough, very, very good, week, I can say. So now this is the reason that I can take all these trades because of the expert advisor, automated trading robot. We just modified it and made it CTS-6, right? Now, the good thing about this now that it was not available on the monthly subscription, it was only for sale for $800, right? So many people couldn't afford that. Now what we did is that we did a little bit changes in the code, and now we can add this one in my monthly subscription, which is, let me show you, for example, if you go on my website here, creativetrading.com, you go on a monthly subscription here, website subscription. And then on this page, you go down, and this is the monthly subscription. Right? You subscribe monthly, so it's only $77 a month, where you get my video on daily basis, almost daily. Every day I make a video, and I show my 40-minute charts with the setup, for example, like this one. So this is, for example, that I had this chart made on the 17th, that this thing is going to go from here to here. But, today, like Good Friday, right? So it started to move, but it died out because of the Good Friday. There's no volume, banks are closed, and, everything is just completely kaput. So I'm showing you the setup. For example, I made the setup that's going to come down. Pound yen, I made the setup. It started to go up, but then again it died out, right? Pound Aussie is going to drop, so I'm going to make the setup later on. This was the setup here, right? And USD yen, right? So I make the setup, and then on a daily basis, I make a video where I give you the setups, and I post the charts, setup charts on the Telegram as well, right? And these are the things you get it. But all these things were before there. But from this week, from now on, we will add this robot in here as well. Either 77, or this you get it for 6 months, or you get it for 12 months. These are the discounted price, right? But even monthly, it will have this for you to use. And this is a very, very awesome and powerful tool. All you have to do is that once you get my chart of the setup, or if you think that this thing is going to go up or go down, all you got to do is that as soon as you see a sign of the price moving, like in my case, that I have a 40-minute alarm as well, that as soon as we have a reversal candle, the alarm beep on a 40-minute chart. And immediately we go and then we start watching a 7-minute and 20-minute chart for entry. If the entry comes in, the EA will automatically take. So all you got to do is, once you have this reversal candle alarm beeping on a 40-minute chart, you go on a 20-minute chart and post the, apply that robot CTS-6 on that. And if the setup is there, it will open the trade automatically, even if you're not there, or you're sleeping, or doing something else, you're at work, the trade will open. You can select different things. So let me show you how it works. For example, this is not, let me go on somewhere else. This one is, let's say, for example, USD CAD 20-minute chart, right? So I want to add that in here, right? Once I see that, okay, this thing is going to drop, for example, is here, and I get the 40-minute alarm that is going to drop. So before dropping, I will come on the 20-minute chart and I place this here like this. Now, this is the window, and you have different selections here. For example, which chart you want. You want 20-minute chart or 7-minute chart setting, right? So if it's a 20-minute chart, then you select here, 20-minute chart. That's it. Now, direction. You want short only, or long only, or both. So you can select here, short only or long only, right? And then if you see this alarm, if you want the alarm, you want the sound or not, right? So you can have, true and false here. And if you don't want, you just turn it and make it false. Trade settings, like you want only the alarm, or you want this thing to open the trade when the setup is there. So true or false, right? You want to take the trade or not. And if you want to take the trade, then you can select here your SL. My SL is always 25 pip, fixed SL 25 pip. So, but you can select it if you want 30, 40, 50, whatever. Take profit, you can select that, whatever you want. And pips to move to break even. Pips move to break even means as soon as the profit, like 25, 30 pip positive, the stop loss will move to break even automatically. Even if you're not there, you don't have to do it. So now you have a free trade. Even if that after that price reverses on you, your SL will be off, taken off without any losses. All right. So this is the CTS-5. It's a very good thing, and it's now available on monthly subscription as well, which was not there. So from today, it will be there. Today's Friday, right? So from the weekend, we will turn it on. I think we did turn it on, right? So Omar did it. I'm not sure. So maybe if he did it, maybe a day or two before. So now, like I said, they take advantage of that and just take it from there, right? So this is it for now. Just wanted to show with you guys. And what else? This is it for now, right? And I will make new charts for my subscribers, and I will give those charts away and then make the video. And if you want to get that over the weekend, I'm going to do that. So just go ahead on my website, and this one here. This is also my website, but this is the one, the creativetrading.system.com. This is the one that I just showed you. And sign up there, and I'll take it from there. And by the way, if you want to learn this business, like A to Z, become master trader, then you can go and then sign up for one-on-one coaching. And if you don't want to do one-on-one and then you have a language problem or something, then you can just simply go and take my courses here. If you can, just watch the videos and learn. Alien wave course, harmonic pattern course, and they included almost everything else in there: trend line, channels, Fibonacci, how to use, extension, expansion, retracement, all of that. So you have these courses available here as well. And my other robot, CTS-6 here, CTS Sniper here, and that's about it, I guess. At CTS-5, I remove it because CTS-6 is almost the same thing with few new features in there. That's it, right? Modified version. So no need for that to be here, right? So I took that off, right? So this is it for now, and hopefully see you in my group soon. Let me close it from where? Stop recording.